Here are some workshop business ideas that can be both profitable and fulfilling. Custom apparel printing. With the rise of personalized merchandise, a custom apparel printing business can be highly profitable. You can offer services like screen printing, embroidery, and direct-to-garment printing. Handmade cosmetics. Create your line of organic, cruelty-free cosmetics. This industry is booming as people are becoming more conscious of what they put on their skin. Eco-friendly cleaning products. With the increasing awareness of environmental issues, eco-friendly cleaning products are in high demand. 3D printing services. Offer 3D printing services for prototypes, architectural models, and custom parts for various industries. Digital marketing agency. As businesses move online, digital marketing services like SEO, social media management, and content creation are in high demand. Home renovation. Specialize in specific types of home renovation, such as kitchen, bathroom, or basement remodeling. Pet care services. Offer pet sitting, grooming, and training services. You can even create your line of pet care products. Specialty food production. Create a niche in the food industry by offering specialty foods like gluten-free, vegan, or ethnic cuisines. Fitness and wellness coaching. With the increasing focus on health and wellness, offering fitness classes or wellness coaching can be a rewarding business. Elderly care services. As the population ages, there's a growing need for quality elderly care services, including in-home care and consultation. E-commerce reselling. Source popular or unique products and sell them through an online platform. You can focus on a specific niche like tech, gadgets, fashion, or home decor. Virtual event planning. With the rise of remote work and social distancing, virtual events are becoming more popular. Offer services in planning and executing these events. Language translation services. As businesses go global, the need for accurate translation and localization services is increasing. Craft brewery. The craft beer industry is booming. If you have a passion for brewing, this could be a rewarding venture. Educational courses and workshops. Use your expertise in a particular field to offer courses, workshops, or consulting services. Automated car wash. With a moderate investment in machinery, an automated car wash can be a very profitable business. Sustainable fashion. Create a clothing line that focuses on sustainability, using eco-friendly materials and ethical manufacturing processes. Smart home solutions. Offer services that turn traditional homes into smart homes. With automated lighting, security, and entertainment systems. Subscription box service. Curate and send out monthly subscription boxes around a specific theme like books, snacks, or self-care items. Local tour guide. If you live in a tourist area, offering guided tours can be a great way to share your love for your community while making money. Each of these ideas has the potential for growth and can be started on a small scale. Choose one that aligns with your skills and passions for the best chance of success.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Money Making AI Hub for more videos on financial freedom.